आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियाँ। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियाँ। एक नई दुनिया की आवाज आपकी आवाज, विज्ञान की आवाज, की आवाज।
Celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we bring you a podcast series on STEM popularization, science, technology, engineering, mathematics and medicine, supported and catalyzed by the National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Government of India. This program is produced by Media for Community Foundation. Creative content and technical support is given by Salam Namaste Community Radio, Noida.
एक नई दुनिया की आवाज आपकी आवाज, विज्ञान की आवाज, की आवाज, की आवाज।
आज की प्रमुख स्टेम पॉपुलराइजेशन जानकारियाँ।
आज विज्ञान की आवाज का पॉडकास्ट नई दिल्ली में हुए मिलेट्स पर CSIR के नवाचार पर केंद्रित है। नई दिल्ली के CSIR राष्ट्रीय भौतिकी प्रयोगशाला के सभागार में मिलेट्स पर CSIR के नवाचार का आयोजन हुआ, जहां वर्ष 2023 में बाजरे को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर बाजरा वर्ष घोषित किए जाने को लेकर चर्चा की गई। इसमें राष्ट्रीय भौतिकी प्रयोगशाला NPL के निदेशक प्रोफेसर वेणुगोपाल अचंता तथा केंद्रीय खाद्य प्रौद्योगिकी अनुसंधान संस्थान की निदेशक डॉक्टर श्रीदेवी अन्नपूर्णा सिंह ने केंद्रीय विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी राज्य मंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह के साथ मंच साझा किया। इस कार्यक्रम में प्रोफेसर वेणुगोपाल अचंता ने अपने संबोधन में कहा,
When we met His Holiness Dalai Lama in October, he mentioned one thing, that it is high time we as a nation start relearning what we have given to the world. He meant it in terms of spirituality, but I guess in terms of even food habits, there is a lot which we need to relearn and reintroduce to the world. So millets is one good example which we are all gathered today. CSIR is at the forefront of innovations that directly embrace the society. We all know that as members of the CSIR family. While NPL, we all know about indelible ink and carbon composite for missiles and time dissemination. More recently, we are into biomedical equipment standards, pigments for security inks. And at the same time, CFTRI has a long legacy in food technology, starting with the milk powder, indigenous development, instant food, etc. So it is our privilege on behalf of the CSIR family. It is my privilege that the event is being organized today to release the calendar on CSIR innovations on millets today. Right. So I welcome you all once again on behalf of CSIR family.
डॉक्टर श्रीदेवी अन्नपूर्णा सिंह ने क्या कहा, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
This particular event has been organized by CSIR and it is aptly titled as CSIR Innovations on Millets. And if I can have the next, yeah. So over a period of time, as the population on earth has been increasing slowly, today we have understood that it is no longer sustainable to have too much of animal foods on our plates, and there is a problem because the climate is changing, our biodiversity is decreasing, our soil health is depleting, and so on and so forth. And most of the agriculture that is being produced also is getting wasted, or it is going in the form of animal feed. So there is an urgent need for paradigm shift in the way we think about our food, and very soon by 2050 we may have around 10 billion people on earth. How do we feed them? So can India really look at how it can feed the world? And our traditional practices and food on our plate, maybe they could have the answer. So we really need to thank our Honorable Prime Minister for declaring the National Year of Millets in 2018, and these millets are actually in line with all the sustainable goals of the UN. Most of the goals can be met if we think of millets as an alternative, and it's more important because India is a leading producer of millets. In 2020, 41% of the global production came from India, and almost 10 out of the 12 millets that are known are grown in India. So we could have an edge, and they are nutrient dense, they are climate friendly crops, they are drought resistant, they are health promoting, even the protein quality is very good, and they are low GI, that is the glycemic index is low, therefore the blood glucose spike is reduced, and they are healthy for diabetic people too. So coming to CSIR innovations on millets, at this point we have 3 labs that have done some work, and we have 40 plus technologies that are coming from CSIR, CFTRI. Many products have been developed by IHBT, which is in Palampur, and NIIST in Thiruvananthapuram. And these innovations are in the form of ingredients, products, processes, and translational R&D, machinery design, as well as skill development. So CFTRI since 1950 has been working, and we have very high rated publications also in this field. It is a constituent lab of CSIR, and it is in Mysuru. We have our resource centers in 3 other places of Lucknow, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. We are ISO 9001-2008. So coming to translational research, this is one example of the work that has been carried out, where diabetes has been induced in an animal model, and if the diabetic rat is fed with finger millet seed coat material, you find that the cataract as well as the damage done to the kidneys can be reduced. And the bioactives of these are the phenolics as well as dietary fiber. So under ingredients today, hopefully we are going to be tasting some of these products which are made from semolina. So all the foods that can be made from rice and wheat can also be made from millets, and this is something like societal what we have done in the area of millets. So now we have done a lot of machine design, we do skill development, and CSIR has also been doing nutritional intervention programs, especially in states, in the Anganwadis, where children below the age of 3 are given finger millet laddus, for example, in the state of Odisha, and also in their take-home rations. And there has been in nutritional parameters improvement in their through their anthropometric parameters and so on, which we have seen. Also the machinery design, it is important to note that all traditional foods of India need to be eaten warm. So if there is a large crowd, then we need to cater to that, and that is what CSIR has attempted to do, to design machines which will help in the processing of efficiently. So our Honorable Minister has been kind enough to visit our institute, and in May 2021, where we have released products and we have demonstrated how these machines work. And now that we are in the International Year of Millets, it is very, very important to understand what is it that we need to do so that India can be on a global platform. and under the leadership of our DG Dr. Kalai Selvi, who has been very encouraging, we have ideas of having a mission project, and that would be initiated by understanding the gaps and challenges that are present in the farm to fork or farm to plate. What are the things that need to be done? One is there is a lack of dedicated machines for specially processing millets. So many of the CSIR labs with mechanical engineering background would be working on that. And then there is a low shelf life of millets because there are active enzymes like lipases which reduce it. Then if we want to export it, we need to increase the shelf life of these products to at least 9 months to 1 year. So this will be addressed. Then there are many varieties of the millets that are grown in different parts of the country. We need to understand which one is good, which one will have the right attributes, nutrition, be it safety or health benefits. And we need to scientifically validate the health claims. Traditionally, we know that they have a lot of health claims, but unless we prove how exactly is the mode of action, we would not be having a global consumer. Then we need to also popularize. Many people, even in our country today, have forgotten the nutritional benefits and health benefits of millets. So we need to educate our people to understand how healthy it is. And because of this, we do have increase in diabetes and cardiovascular disease, which can be maintained. So today, this event is specifically to showcase the technologies that have been developed by CSIR and its network of laboratories.
केंद्रीय विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी राज्य मंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने मिलेट्स पर CSIR के नवाचार पर अपनी बातें रखी।
Dr. Jitendra Singh, Independent Charge, Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, and also the Vice President of CSIR. Welcome, sir.
Director CFTRI, Dr. Sri Devi, Director NPL, Professor Venu Gopal. I can see number of directors over here. The fraternity team from CFTRI, dear students. I know whether we realize today or not, we are simultaneously celebrating more than one aspects. We are celebrating millets, we are celebrating nutrition, we are celebrating health, and above all, we are celebrating India. And all this has been possible because of the vision, the drive, the motivation of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. And it gives me an added pleasure and pride to think that it's been twice in this term of 8.5 years that India has had the privilege to suggest to the world, first to celebrate yoga and now to celebrate millets. So linking industry, as was being said, with our institute is something that we might have achieved at the end of this year. So congratulations once again, Dr. Sri Devi.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this occasion with your presence as well as with your kind words. Now I would request Dr. Sri Devi Annapurna Singh, Director CSIR CFTRI, to kindly felicitate our chief guest with a shawl and a memento as a token of respect. Please give a big round of applause to all the dignitaries.
STEM बात पते की।
अब जाते जाते हम बताते हैं आपको बात पते की। क्या आप जानते हैं हमारे शरीर की सबसे ज्यादा ताकतवर मांसपेशी जीभ है। ये था आज का विज्ञान की आवाज। आपको ये पॉडकास्ट कैसा लगा हमें बताएं mediaforcommunity@gmail.com पर।
आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियां। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियां। एक नई दुनिया की आवाज आपकी आवाज, विज्ञान की आवाज, की आवाज।
Celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we bring you a podcast series on STEM popularization, science, technology, engineering, mathematics and medicine, supported and catalyzed by the National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Government of India. This program is produced by Media for Community Foundation. Creative content and technical support is given by Salam Namaste Community Radio, Noida.
एक नई दुनिया की आवाज आपकी